What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name is David Warren, and on this channel, I go on adventures and I share my tech information. So I'm running errands today. I wanted to share with you the app that I've been using lately, CapCut. It's a mobile app for video editing on the go. It's available on Android and iPhone. And so I'm going to be going around doing my errands and showing you a little bit what this actually does. Now I gotta go to the market. So just because you gotta be mobile and do stuff doesn't mean you gotta stop creating. You can always do things on the go. I especially like doing this when I'm going shopping. I can sit while I'm waiting in the line. Sometimes I get in the longest line possible so I can actually do a little editing. All right, so now I'm in line. I'm gonna load up CapCut. Gonna go into new project. And as soon as it comes up, it shows all my video. It automatically goes into my recent videos and shows those. So there was a little sequence that I did when I was at the Rite Aid. This is not sponsored by Rite Aid. And I wanted to do just like a simple walking sequence. So that's the first part. And as soon as you click on it, it will start playing that video. So now that I have that video playing, I can hit this trim button at the lower left-hand corner and grab this bar here and set my endpoint. So it's not. Alright, so I want to get that car driving pass. And then I'm walking up to the car right about there. So now I can grab the endpoint. And this is just my rough cut. So this is going to allow me to. All right, so that's rough, my beginning and end point. So the lower right hand corner, there's a check mark. I hit the check. That now puts that into the sequence. There's a little scissors at the bottom. Scissors at the bottom lets me know that that has been trimmed. The one at the top lets me know that that is sequence number 1. So now let's go next video. I just click on it. Shows what that part is. And okay, so that's pretty much the whole sequence right there. Okay, right there. Hit the check mark. That is now number 2. See the scissors and number 2. So this makes it real easy for me to make my rough cuts on the go. I'm in line, I'm doing this. It makes it nice and easy. So this is just like another take of this one. We'll throw that in 3. Okay, grab this one. It's kind of like a walking, yeah. So we'll get it right when the action starts. Okay, so right about there. Hit the check mark. This is a sequence I'm getting in the car. Way I like to record when I'm doing these sequences, I will hit the stop. Right, so I'm going to be getting in the car here. Nah. Alright. So something like that. No, let's leave that and I'll cut it later. Check mark. This is just okay. So this is a part that I did. I later decided, maybe I should show me walking in. So this part is Okay, here we go. So I got all my parts roughly sequenced. Lower right hand corner says add, lets me know how many parts I'm adding. It's going to be 6 parts. And I now have my rough sequence of my little movie here, right? Getting in the car. All right, so that's the second view. And that's it. So once I have that, I can hit the top, save the project. So there's my project right there. I can continue at the next stop, or when I get home, or whenever I want to work on it again. I can rename it. I can duplicate it if I want to make 2 different versions or do different things. But that's it. CapCut on the go. Once again, this is Android and Apple. So whether you got an iPhone or you got an Android phone, this on the go is really good. All right, I'll be doing some more tutorials on this. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below. What mobile app are you using? Or is there anything that you have a question about in this app? All right, remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I'll see you all soon.